Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Flipkart SmartBuy Torchlight. Yes, when just a couple of days back I did order and finally it got delivered today. So which is a Flipkart SmartBuy Torchlight. The price I got it for about 150 rupees. Yes friends, this is the best gadget below 150 rupees, I can definitely say that. And right now I'm going to do the unboxing of this particular gadget. And right now at this moment the price of this SmartBuy Torchlight is about close to 225 rupees, as you can see exactly in the Flipkart. But I got a deal for about 150 rupees where 75 rupees has been discounted during the sale promotion which is going on. Let me just show you. And this is a promotion offer, friends. Right now there's a special price going on 225 rupees, right? But I did get the special discount of extra 75 rupees off. So just couple of days back I did order for about total price of 150 rupees. Let's see. So for this 150 rupees, can this do any kind of justification or not? That's what my main idea of testing, demonstrating this one. And let me later do the unboxing of this product. And recently I started to buy a few gadgets, friends, below 200 rupees and below 150 rupees as well. So I try to do this kind of series as well. So top 5 best gadgets below 150 rupees and 200 rupees. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos which I'll try to upload very soon. Maybe next couple of days I'll try to plan the series as well, so which is going to be really very interesting to see what's going to happen. And is the unboxing of this smart torchlight. Let's see how is the experience, and let me to unbox it. So this is the package which we got in, and let me to cut the plastic, and we got in small case. As you can see, this is exactly the case. Same image which we did see in the Flipkart, same kind of image only we did see here as well. So we got the torchlight and along with the case, very good case, no problem. And inside we do have the small torchlight, so which is a Flipkart smart torchlight which we do have at this moment, as you can see. And let me talk about the lumens of this, what is the power capacity of this torchlight as well. In the description we'll be able to find out all the details. And there's no details about the lumens power and everything, but there's a details about power consumption. 7 watt power consumption is there, and which you can actually charge using the normal cable as well, micro USB cable, which we do have in this along with the box as well, which got installed. And let me know to turn on whether it's working or not. Yes, when it's actually working, and it's quite powerful, I can definitely say. I can see it, and 2 times and 3 times pressing. Wow, it's quite bright, friends, not bad. So it's very bright, I would say. But this kind of, let me turn off all the lights and I'll try to show you. So right now, as you can see, friends, I came to the storeroom to test this kind of torchlight as well. Now let me turn off this light, and here I do have the torchlight. You can clearly see, friends, this is a torchlight which I do have at this moment. And let's test, demonstrate, and now I'm trying to turn off this light. And this light is completely off now. You can see completely pitch dark at this moment. Now as you can see, friends, clearly, this is a small torchlight. This small torch, how much powerful it is. Oh my god. Wow. As you can see, friends, it's very powerful. I can definitely say for 150 rupees, my complete room is kind of lighting up, as you can see. You can see the light from this only small torchlight. There is no light, there is no other light in my room, but you can definitely see, friends, very powerful. And let's press second time, what happens. 2 times it will try to give this kind of lighting effect. And next is this mode. As you can see, 3 different modes you do have, which is quite powerful, very powerful. As you can see, friends, the light effect, how much powerful it is. Oh my god, this very small gadget, but it's really very powerful, friends. You can definitely see how much powerful it is. Wow, I didn't expect this much of huge power, but the only question mark is that how long this high power mode can actually work. That's what the whole question mark at this moment. But I'm really shocked to see this kind of performance in such a small torchlight. So there's another option, friends, in this torchlight where you can actually increase and decrease the intensity of the beam as well. Let me try to show you. As you can see, you can actually decrease the radius of the beam as well, which looks like a torchlight as well. A little bit beam, I guess you can see, friends, clearly, which works fantastic. Wow. But the only thing is that the device will get a little bit kind of heat. I can actually feel a lot of heat coming using this kind of torchlight as well. But overall, it seems to be kind of really good deal for the 150 rupees. I can definitely say that. So this is one of the list under must-have gadget under 150 rupees. It's pretty good working without any kind of much problem. So friends, after going through this product, it feels really powerful as well. But only one thing is that it will definitely get a lot of heat after using non-stop continuously. That's one thing you should definitely understand. So because of this high power capabilities in this flashlight, I mean in the torchlight, so which is pretty good and which is pretty portable as well. And let's check the weight of this particular product, how much the weight can be there. So because of this very small size and 50 grams only, as you can see friends, only 50 grams the weight of this product is, but it feels really very solid performance in terms of the torchlight wise as well, not bad. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. And using this kind of mode, you can actually increase and decrease the beam. This is how you need to do it, using this kind of special mode, as you can see friends, which is present. And there is no option to decrease the brightness. I wish they could have included some kind of option, some kind of another button to increase and decrease the brightness of this LED light. That will be really good to save some kind of battery. I mean, not always we want to use with a high brightness level every time, right? So maybe if you want to use with less brightness sometimes, then that could be really helpful as well, but they did not include that. But all friends, that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick Flipkart SmartBuy portable torchlight for 150 rupees, and finally it's really good deal. And I do have this kind of small case which I can actually use for other purposes as well. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off and bye. And one more thing, I forgot to mention, I'll try to do the battery draining test as well using this one, so stay tuned for that. I just want to see how long the battery can last in this SmartBuy torchlight from the Flipkart. So in case if you're looking to buy one right now, the price is about close to 225 rupees, and even for the 225 rupees, it feels kind of really justification to buy after seeing the power of this torchlight. It's really very powerful for this kind of price, I can definitely say that. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off and bye.